Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Vmware is installed and you have the guest ISO ready. This saves time and prevents mid-creation failures. Open Vmware, click New Virtual Machine, and choose Typical or Custom depending on control needed. You pick the ISO so the installer can boot directly. Make sure the virtual disk size and RAM meet minimum OS requirements. Once done, name the VM and select a data store or folder. This defines where files live and affects performance. Next, you configure hardware. Assign CPUs and RAM based on workload. More CPU threads and memory speed up the guest. Choose disk type and provisioning. Thin saves space, thick gives steady performance. Enable hardware virtualization and adjust firmware, BIOS/UEFI, if the OS needs it. Connect optical drive to the ISO and set boot order so the VM boots installer first. Make sure network mode matches your use case. Later, you can add extra NICs for separation or testing. Power on the VM and follow the OS installer prompts. You will partition, set locale, and create users. After installation, install VMware tools to enable drivers, clipboard sharing, and optimized graphics. This improves performance and integration. Configure snapshots and backups so you can revert changes and tweak shared folders, time sync, and resource limits. If something fails, check the VM log and reassign NIC or expand disk. Make sure the ISO checksum matches to rule out corrupt media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.